Here it is, rainy and nasty. Rain's coming down. 2 brand new batteries. Diesel truck, no start. 2 brand new batteries. Let's see. That one's hooked up. That one's still hooked up. That one's hooked up, but no start at all. No crank or nothing. What should I do? I don't know. It's getting cold out here. Look, it's getting rainy and wet. Maybe it's just junk batteries. Did the company sell me these batteries? Is that the problem? Everything looks good so far. Well, still, no start, nothing we can figure out that's wrong. What should we do?